Amilita presents More Sleep. Season 2, Episode 1. Whenever Amilita comes home from school, she would take her backpack off, take her school clothes off, put on her pajamas, and then lay on her bed only to fall right to sleep, and that is exactly what she had did on the very last day of school when she came home. Something like this would mostly happen during a rainy day, or during the winter. Amilita wouldn't have that much homework to focus her work on when she comes home from school. Before Amilita got home, she had a finale test on her first, second, third, fourth, and fifth classes. Her sixth and last class was Arts and Craft, where students can be creative and make anything out from many arts and crafts materials. During Arts and Crafts, the teacher did not have anything for the kids to do, so during the last day of school in Arts and Craft class, the kids did whatever they want. Amilita was already tired, and she slept during the whole class before it was time to go home. Anyways, when Amilita got home from school, she went to hug her mom, but when she went to hug her, she quickly fell asleep, resulting in her falling down after her mom pushed her away. Amilita got up and slowly went to her room to finally sleep. Despite her wanting to get to her bedroom quickly to sleep, she was too tired to move faster, but at the end, she was finally at her house to rest. Minutes after Amilita went to her room, her mom came inside her bedroom, only to find her lying in the floor with her. But this time, her clothes were still on. Amilita was too tired to take her school clothes on and she was already alsy. Amilita's mom woke her up to remind her that she is sleeping on the floor. After Amilita took her school clothes off and put on her pajamas on, she lied on her bed and went to sleep. The next day, Amilita was still asleep. She imagines a world she is only in, with nobody. That is why she chose to sleep, and sleeping is not a waste of her time. For the past few days, Amilita has been sleeping for hours. She has not eaten anything, she has not read books as usual, and she didn't even feel the need to use the bathroom. At this point, she was officially done with the world she is in. And regardless of her being born and is about to die one day, she was just a genderless figure who came to Earth, and she hates doing too much that could ruin her energy. Amilita's mom didn't really seem too concerned about it until now. She thought maybe Amilita was just stressing out lately, and that she hasn't gotten a hold of herself. She also noticed that Amilita's sleep positions looked depressing, but she was not concerned by that point. It has now been a week. In fact, Amilita did not like chewing food anyways. Amilita does not like the sound of her chewing her food, and she hates the taste of goo when she is chewing it. During the brief times when Amilita has been sleeping, she would wake up and get fresh water to drink, and then she would fall back asleep. During dinner, Amilita was waken up to go eat her food, but after 5 minutes of trying to eat her salad in the dining table, she gave up and went back to her room to sleep. Amilita was lucky it was the summer and that she doesn't have to go to school during spring break. One thing that brings to this, is that if Amilita has gotten Fs on her grades and failed most of her class subjects, she would have been held back and be doing summer school. But luckily, Amilita has been paying attention and passed most of her classes. Her math teacher rarely gives out homework, which was easy for Amilita and the other kids at that class. Anyways, Amilita's mom went to Amilita's room to check up on her, but she saw her still asleep. Amilita was so tired, she could not even remember anything she saw or what she did before falling asleep, and so on. She was even scared how she couldn't do anything due to her lack of sleepness she's been having. Amilita is connected with sedentism, and would stay in one place in one same spot, which is her bed. Amilita's mom remembered the times when she and her daughter went to play on playgrounds and run with each other. They would go on car rides and go spend time with each other eating ice cream, rarely. Remembering all the memories, Amilita's mom felt sorry, and now her daughter is just completely careless, oblivious, and tired. One day, Amilita and her mom were talking about the sleeping issue. Amilita asked what is a hypersomnia, and the man said that it is a sleeping dependency. Amilita said that she sleeps normally, and that it is not beauty sleep, nap, snoozing, slumber, siesta, or anything like that. The next day, from a point of view, Amilita woke up from her bed around 6:32 a.m. in the morning. She was still tired, so she just stayed in her bed for a while without falling asleep, but she fell asleep after just 5 minutes. Around 7:23 a.m., she woke up and went to the kitchen and ate some breakfast. Amilita poured a little bit of cereal and milk in her bowl because she knew she was going to feel even more tired to eat anything else further. After eating her breakfast, she went to her room to go back to sleep. Around 8:30 a.m., she woke up and went to the living room to watch some TV. She fell asleep, and around 9:44 a.m., she woke up, and went to her bedroom to read a book. After she read for a while, she stopped around page 9, and went to her bed to sleep. Around 11:10 a.m., she woke up and she started to feel uneasy. She went outside for fresh air and to take a walk, but she was tired at the same time. She got to her bedroom to sleep, and around 1:55 p.m., she woke up feeling a little bit nauseous. Amilita does not want to die, she just wants to sleep because it is the only thing she can do when she is so out of the even. Amilita's mom found her daughter sleeping in her bedroom, like usual. Lately, her mother was thinking about Amilita's conduct, and thought that she was just not into everything like other people with mundanity. Amilita's mother thinks her daughter's only hope is to just get lots and lots of sleep for all she wants, and all she needs. The end.